Hey everyone, Ramcubed here, and today I'm going to be showing you guys how to increase your internet speed for free. As promised, this is one of the episodes showing you guys how to do it. Basically, we're going to be taking off the limit and just basically making your internet faster. So first off, what you want to do is head over to that start button and type in run, and just hit enter or go over and click on it. And you're going to type in GP, capital GP, switch to lowercase edit .msc, and then just hit enter or OK. And it's going to come up with this. Now, this is a local group policy editor, and you want to click on computer configuration from here. Double click on that, and you get these three. Now you want to click on administrative templates. You want to double click on that, and you get these settings you can change. You want to change the network settings. You want to double click on the network, and now you get these settings. Right, so from here, what you want to double click on QoS packet scheduler, or if you're American, it's packet scheduler, but whatever. I'm going to click on QoS packet scheduler. Double click on that. And now, as you guys can see, we get some more options. Now what you want to do is double click on limit reservable bandwidth, and this is where we're going to change the limit, as I said. And as you guys can see, I'm just going to click X for now. But as you guys can see, we get this. Now normally you'd find yourself like on this saying it's enabled or not configured. What you want to do is click on disabled and apply and OK. Now what that will do is basically it will take the limit off for your internet, and just basically let you use your internet at its full potential. So if you thought this video was helpful, don't forget to hit the subscribe button, and I will see you guys in the next vid. Peace. I'm out.